Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Useful News. Today we'll discuss about how to enable virtual backgrounds. Virtual backgrounds part 1. To enable the virtual background feature, for users in your Zoom account. Follow the steps below. Number 1. Log into the Zoom web portal. With the account administrator's credentials. Number 2. In the menu on the left, select account management. Then select account settings. Then in the meeting advanced, section of the meeting tab, scroll down to virtual background and make sure that it is enabled. If it's disabled, use the toggle switch to enable it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.